Okay, now this is the pond that's at the Dillon Nature Center, and you can actually come here and go fishing and catch you some fishies. Guess at some point should bring the grandkids around to see if they want to go fishing. I mean, they're older, but you know. Really beautiful little pond here. Looks like it's bigger than what it was last time I was here. It's been many years since I've been here. Sorry for the sun, guys, I'm not trying to blind you. Yes, it's kind of clear down here. It's pretty cool. I mean, you can see where it starts dropping off. You can see in the water. Nice, some duckies out there. So this project was funded by a grant from the Marguerite Sowers Foundation. Minus the highway that you can kind of hear in the background. It is peaceful out here, quiet, nature. You always need to go back to nature and enjoy the beauty and the quietness of what God has created for us to enjoy. Oh, so does anyone know why these little stumps are here from the tree, like the roots? Yeah, but it's just it has to be, it's a different kind of tree that does that.
If they know what they are, comment.
Yeah, if you guys know why some of these trees do that and they poke up like that out of the ground. Yeah, that's what that is tree roots. Huh. It's pretty cool. Oh, okay. I think now is where you could probably go and have a picnic now.
Big squirrel just eating right there.
Aww. Oh, he's
big boy.
He's fat. He's a fat one there, ain't he? Let me go around. And
big boy. You munching on?
Aww. Those berries out of the tree.
Oh yeah, he's right on the tree. Big boy. All the birds in this tree. Yeah, he's huge. He's got plenty to eat.
Yeah.
He's not starving.
No. Could be a mama though too that's pregnant. She could be. She could be. And of course winter's coming and we can get some pretty harsh winters here. Snow, ice, wind. I mean, it is Kansas. For the most part, the state's flat, so when it's windy, you feel it to your bone in the wintertime. That you do. Oh, that was cute, that little squirrel. Flowers. Plants. It's all starting to die right now because it's fall. So, and the trees are turning colors, and a big pine tree. All turning colors. I love fall. Winter not so much because it can get really cold. As you get older, you feel it, but love the fall. Fishing rules and regulations. I think they need to replace that. That's getting old there. This has been around since about 1970, I think, Dillon Nature Center. Yeah, and they've expanded it quite a bit since then. You know, it used to just be kind of like a pond and you could walk around, you know, and I'm sure at that time they had like a visitor center, but it was a smaller one. But they've expanded. There's trails you can go back up in there and go walking. I think there's still trails back there. Is there, you think, and there's still trails back there, Tiffany? I think there is. That you can go back there, there's trails and go walking, so we will go see. Our picnic area. Lovely day for it, because the weather's going to start turning here in the next couple of days. I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so beautiful day out here. It's like what, 65 degrees, something like that. Just a slight breeze. Beautiful. Looks like they used to have like a little pond or something here, and the water would come down and go out to the pond. I'm trying to not blind you guys, so I'm trying to keep the camera away from the water.